Hey friends, Miss Katie of Heritage Ways here. I'd like to show you how loose your rings should be applied when you are using the Superb canning lids. So after everything comes out of the canner, nothing has been touched, loosened, tightened, nothing like that. So when you go to remove the rings, this is how loose they should be. I mean, you don't even have to try to take them off. They're just, you know, loose. With one hand, easy to take off because you put them on with the finger method. So just remember, Superb canning lids, the only ones made in the USA. Don't be fooled. There are other influencers and homesteaders that are telling you another brand is USA made. I contacted that brand and they clearly sent me an email that says our lids are made overseas in China. We wish they weren't, but they are. So, Superb canning lids, locally made right up the road from me. Just learn how to use them and you'll be just fine.